So what's up guys, nagbabalik na naman ako. Ngayong panibagong araw ay may gagawin tayong challenge. Bawal tayong So ngayon guys ay may gagawin tayo. Bawal tayong makaapak sa color blue. Ito guys, ang hindi mag-follow panot. O yan guys, mag-follow na kayo para hindi kayo maging panot. Yan guys, mag-follow kayo. So what's up guys, nandito na ako. Ang challenge ay bawal tayong magkaapak sa color blue. Kumuha tayo ng kahoy para gumawa ng kuwan guys, wooden tools. And guys, ang gulo nga pala natin dito guys ay kuwan, makakuha ng emerald. Ang daming blue dito guys. Madami talagang blue dito. And guys, gawa muna tayo ng mga pickaxe. Guys, gawa muna tayo ng mga kahoy, wooden tools. Guys, gawa muna tayo. Yun guys, maglalakbay na naman tayo. Yun guys, tignan na naman. Walang blue dito, kaya madaling challenge lang gagawin natin dito. Oy par, libre pa. Yun guys, tignan mo muna. Sana may village dito par. Uy, kikita nyo ba yun guys, oh? You know? Iron par. May iron guys. Kung natin panggawa ng one guys, ng pickaxe. Saan na ba yung guys? Ay, putang ina guys. Yung guys, kuha muna tayo. Sama ko. Uy! Ay, di pala pa tayo kumukuha ng mga stone guys. Stone pickaxe. Ano yung gagawin natin? Yan.
Shadow from the crow's nest. It forms an arrow. That arrow must be pointing us toward the triangle. Yes. Take that.
Guys.
I wonder if Team Grandpa found a tower in the Kelp Woods.
Ay. Kumuha tayo ng mga
This Kelp tree looks just like the tower on the map. You're right, Pops. But what's the triangle supposed to be?
kahoy. Kulang pa pala guys yung natin. Yung stone natin guys, kulang pa pala. Nang gawa na kasi natin furnace guys. Madami naman yung kinuha natin guys.
Wonder how Mrs. Shark's team is doing. The arrow led us to iceberg ice cream.
What the?
Triangle.
a triangle. It's a cone. Now we just need the next clue.
Yan guys ko, ang daming iron guys.
Try treasure trove drink today. Marshmallows.
Those aren't marshmallows.
What?
They're puzzle
What the hell guys? Kuha muna tayo guys. Magluto muna tayo pa guys. Sakto guys. May emerald tayong nakita. Swerte naman natin guys. Ito.
The treasure is buried in the town.
Tapos dito naman guys.
I don't know about this.
Yan. Kahit tatlo lang guys. Kita nyo naman guys na may kuwan dito guys. Oh. Emerald guys. Swerte. Swerte naman guys. Yung sana lang guys. Sana lang.
Listen to a hat. Maybe we should ask Mrs. Shark.
Why? The best treasure hunter in the sea is right here.
Yan.
I don't know about this.
Wow. Yan guys.
The town square. Now where's that arch?
We're close to finding the loot.
So yun guys. Panalo tayo in this video. Yan guys. Sobrang dali lang naman pala ito ah. Yan guys oh. Ang dali guys. Yan. Nahulog pa guys. Bye bye guys. Tayo na guys. La guys. Guys may nahabol. And guys. See you next to the next video guys. Comment lang kayo kung anong kulay naman next guys. Bye-bye.